Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the Calculate Purchase document and Save function. Let's get started.
The Calculate Purchase document and Save function is designed to calculate the details of a purchase document and either create a new document or save changes to an existing one. This function ensures accurate calculations and seamless management of purchase workflows. To add this function to your action, locate the action you want to configure, press Edit, then click on Add Function. Click on the header of the newly added function and search for Calculate Purchase document and Save. This function requires configuration. You will need to add the account document, the items document, the purchase order document, the vendor document, the purchase settings document, and the GPO contracts. These documents are necessary for retrieving the correct data and ensuring accurate calculations. You can either create these documents from scratch or use one of the predefined bundles available in the system. That's the end of our quick tutorial on the Calculate Purchase document and Save function. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.